How to use Zoom on your phone. Using the Zoom feature can be useful to anyone who's visually impaired. Here's how you can activate this feature on iPhone and Android devices. On an iPhone, go to Settings, General, then scroll down to Accessibility. Select Zoom from this menu. Make sure this and Follow Focus are both switched on. Scroll down and make sure there's a tick next to Full Screen Zoom. To use Zoom, hold 3 fingers together and gently tap the screen twice. Then use your 3 fingers to move around. To turn off Zoom, just use your 3 fingers to double tap again. You can also change the amount of magnification. To increase, tap twice with 3 fingers, and on the second tap, drag your fingers upwards without taking them off the screen. To decrease, double tap with 3 fingers and drag down. Most Android smartphones also have a Zoom feature. Each Android device might be slightly different, but here we're using a Samsung A5. Go to Apps, Settings, Accessibility, then Vision. Scroll down to Magnification Gestures and make sure it's switched on. You can zoom in and out by triple tapping anywhere on the screen with 1 finger. Adjust the zoom by pinching your fingers and dragging them apart to zoom in and pulling them together to zoom out. That's an introduction to using Zoom on your iPhone or Android device.